everyone, it's Emmanuel. Ready to learn about real estate but don't know where to begin? Whether you want to be a real estate investor, an agent, or just learn the basics, this video is your guide. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for subscribing. Let's go! So what is real estate? It's a term we hear all the time, but what does it really mean? It's more than just buying and selling houses. It's a vast industry that encompasses various types of properties. It's a huge business about properties like homes, offices, land, and stores. Each type of property serves a different purpose and has its own market. It's about making money from owning, renting, or investing in property. The goal is to generate income or profit through these investments. Let's break it down. There are several main categories of real estate. First, residential real estate. This is the simple stuff. Houses, apartments, condos, places where people live. It's the most familiar type of real estate for most people. Many people start here because everyone needs a place to live, right? It's a stable market with constant demand. Next, commercial real estate. Think offices, shopping malls, and stores. These properties are used for business activities and can generate significant rental income. This is a different game with bigger investments and maybe bigger rewards. It involves properties used for manufacturing, storage, and distribution. Then, industrial real estate, warehouses and factories. Online shopping has made this type of real estate very popular, but it takes a smart investor to understand how it works. The logistics and location are key factors. And lastly, land. This is the most basic type, empty land ready to be built on. It's a blank canvas with endless possibilities. Land can be tricky because it doesn't make money right away. But if you find a good area, it can be very profitable. Patience and research are crucial. Each type of real estate has its own ups and downs, so choose what fits your goals. Whether you're looking for steady income or long-term growth, there's a type of real estate for you. Don't just follow everyone else. Make informed decisions based on your own research and understanding. Do your research and find what's right for you. The real estate market is vast and varied, and there's something for everyone. Now you might be thinking, why real estate? I understand, it can seem scary, but there are great reasons why real estate can help you build wealth. First, earning potential. With the right plan, real estate can give you steady money or big profits. People always need homes and businesses need places to work. That means rent money and maybe the property becoming more valuable over time. Speaking of which, let's talk about building wealth. Owning property can really increase your net worth. Unlike a new car that loses value quickly, real estate can become more valuable. Plus, you're building ownership with every mortgage payment. Finally, real estate offers flexibility. You can start small and grow. You don't need to be rich to begin. There are ways, like renting part of your house or starting with a small apartment building, that let you begin without spending too much. Chapter 3. Steps to start your real estate journey. Okay, you're ready to start. Where do you begin? The world of real estate can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll help you. Step 1. Learn. The first step is to educate yourself. Knowing things is important in any investment, and real estate is no different. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Read books, watch videos, and immerse yourself in the subject. Go to events, learn all about real estate. Attend seminars and workshops to gain insights from experts. Learn about what's happening in the market, how to get loans, and the financial aspects of real estate. Understand local real estate rules and regulations. This knowledge will be crucial. Pro tip: take online classes. There are many resources available online. Or get a real estate license. This can open up more opportunities. Even if you don't want to be an agent, that knowledge is very helpful as an investor. Step 2. Set goals. What do you want from real estate? Define your objectives clearly. What do you want from real estate? Do you want to build wealth, create passive income, or something else? Do you want long-term investments that make money passively, like rental properties? Or do you want to buy and sell properties quickly for profit? Flipping houses can be lucrative. Having a goal will help you make a good plan. A clear vision will guide your actions. Step 3. Build a network. Real estate is about people. Connect with agents, brokers, contractors, and other investors. Real estate is about people. Connect with agents, brokers, contractors, and other investors. Build relationships. Go to local real estate meetings or join online groups. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. More connections mean more opportunities. Step 4. Start small. Begin with manageable investments. You don't need a lot of money to start. Look for affordable options. Look for affordable options like rental properties or wholesaling. Start small, learn the business, and grow as you get better. Step 5. Get financing. Understand your financing options. Unless you have a lot of cash, you'll probably need a loan. Explore your options: savings, bank loans, working with others, or private investors. Explore your options: savings, bank loans, working with others, or private investors. Understand the numbers and loan terms before investing. This will help you make informed decisions. Chapter 4. Mistakes to avoid. Even if you try your best, it's easy to make mistakes, especially when you're new to the field. Let's talk about some common problems and how to avoid them so you can navigate the real estate market with confidence. Mistake number 1. Not doing research. Never invest in a property without understanding the local market. This includes knowing the neighborhood, the demand, and the future prospects. Look at similar properties, research the area, and understand what affects property values there. This will help you make informed decisions. Mistake number 2. Borrowing too much. Borrowing too much can be very risky. It's important to know your limits and stick to them. Start with what you can afford, even if it's small. It's better to grow gradually than to overextend yourself. Remember, borrowing can make you more money, but it can also make you lose more money if not managed properly. Mistake number 3. Forgetting maintenance costs. Always remember repairs and upkeep when budgeting. These costs can add up quickly and impact your bottom line. Surprise expenses can take away from your profits, so be ready for them. Plan ahead to avoid financial strain. Pro tip: keep some extra money for unexpected repairs or times when the property is empty. This safety net can be a lifesaver. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Chapter 5. Real-life example. Let's hear from someone who started just like you and built a successful real estate portfolio. I'm excited to introduce Mr. Alex from Uganda. Mr. Alex, welcome. Mr. Alex, thanks for having me, Emmanuel. Great to be here. Tell us about your journey. How did you get started? Mr. Alex, I started small, just like you suggested. I saved enough for a down payment on a house that needed work, fixed it up myself. It was hard work, but I learned a lot. That's great. What was the key to your success? Mr. Alex, learning from every step and reinvesting my profits. I didn't buy a fancy car or go on big vacations. I put every extra dollar back into my properties, and that helped me grow faster. There you have it, your beginner's guide to real estate. Remember, success takes time. Learn, be consistent, and keep learning from what happens. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell for more tips. Ask questions in the comments and I'll answer them. See you in the next video.